Morning guys, it is April 15, 2021. Today I got a call from a guy. He says he's got a water heater in a closet and it seems to be water leaking coming from the closet. So, because hopefully it's a relief valve and not a tank. We'll go by and see what's going on with it. Try to get you some shots if it's interesting. Wait a minute, there already. It's like 2:30 already, so if it needs a new water tank, it's probably going to have to wait until tomorrow. We'll see.
Turn left on Mill Street.
See what's going on with it. Miss Molly is working again, y'all. Are you working again, Miss Molly? Are you working again, Miss Molly? Oh yeah, you're working again. It's right here. It's all spongy. Look at that shit.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, it's probably gone. Oh yeah. Wow, there's two of them.
Yeah, well, it's I know there's only one of them, but I don't know which one. I have a vision problem, so.
Yeah. Oh, that's kind of shitty.
Matter of fact, I was just pumping it out. I pumped it out yesterday, I pumped it out this morning. I got my shot vac training now to pump it out again.
I don't know which one it is. But hopefully it's this one in the front here.
Yeah, me too.
Electric. What's all this water from? Is it sweating? See it up top? It's sweating. It's this tank.
Yeah.
See it, all the sweat?
Yep, I pumped it all.
Yeah, that's what that is. So it's this tank that's gone.
Which one? The front one?
This front one. Well, the only problem is putting it in there. If you ever got to get that one out, you got to remove this one.
I know.
That's real shitty. It's a
Well,
40.
that one in the back was replaced about 10 years ago.
It's a 40 gallon. I can't do it today. I could do it tomorrow.
Alright, that's cool.
Let's see if I can get one. They're having a shortage on water heaters, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah, everybody at suppliers are telling me they don't, you know, you don't a matter of time until, because they order them and they're not coming in. I don't know why. Everything's queer now, huh? Everything's gone crazy.
Ever since this pandemic shit, man, I'm telling you.
Let me call and see if I can get one available. The 40 gallon electric. Definitely that one, because you can see it sweating there. You see it sweating?
Yep.
That means it's running, you know? Let me make a phone call and see. It's already 3 o'clock by the time I go and get it today, and I mean, how long has it been leaking for?
Actually, I had to start yesterday, because...
You want to shut it off and drain it, or what? Or you're not too worried about it?
Actually, I can shut it off.
I'd shut it off. I mean, shut the cold off to it, you know?
Okay. I don't know...
to shut the power off.
Okay.
I mean, I can do it tomorrow. Let me call and see if they got one available, because
you know how to shut the water off?
I do. Let me make a phone call.
Right.
It's over here too. No, that's the main breaker.
Which breaker are you talking about?
That's second floor. Main disconnect for second floor.
No, this is first floor.
No, there's just a main disconnect. There's not regular break. You gotta have regular breakers somewhere. This is the main panel, second floor. This isn't.
No, this is first floor. Upstairs has its own thing.
That's a main. That's one big giant breaker that shuts the whole thing off. I need to have it. There must be another panel somewhere that has individual shut-offs.
That's the only panel I've ever had. Like if my lights go And the thing I go in there and I hit the brake and the lights go back on.
No, it's in the closet here, guy.
Yeah.
Here it is. I found it.
Yeah, there's 2 panels there.
Yeah, this. Okay,
One
so
is a 200 amp service for the entire
bedroom
outside
heat,
heat.
dryer, water heater. Water heater says 30 amps. So it's gonna be it.
Yep.
Now, is that your water heater or is that her water heater?
I'm not sure. Actually, it's my house. I live downstairs. I take care of a guy who lives upstairs. And so I just kind of sleep here because I'm upstairs like almost 24/7.
Water heater. Let's see if that's the first or the second. Should be labeled, no?
I'm gonna have to talk to my electrician. It should have been labeled.
Let's try running the water because I did shut it off. Let's see if the water runs on the hot.
Hot water?
Yeah, I'll turn it on over here. Yeah, that's it. Shutting off. So that's the one. That's this first floor one.
Yeah, okay.
Because remember I shut the valve off and we're getting no flow.
Yeah, I got the water over here.
Okay, that's good then.
That's it.
So that is first floor.
Yep.
So I got the water off and we're going to do that first thing in the morning, okay?
Yep. Anytime, I'm an early bird. Because I'm
Well,
body clock. I just